Okay, welcome back to BSN channel. We're doing another lesson of tree, which is the Asante dialect. My mother's behind the camera, so greet my mother. Hello, Mom.
Hello, people.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. Mehoyapa.
That's good to hear. Today we're going to do a conversation to a taxi driver, a normal conversation. I'm going to be the customer and the taxi driver. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, nothing complicated. And my mum is going to translate what I'm saying. So we'll keep it like that. Let's start with hello, hello, sir, or you know, hello.
To say,
How can I help you?
a dear morning here.
Where do you want to go?
I hear fan I will call.
I want to go to Accra.
A person me call and crying.
Accra is very big.
And crying. Soon.
Where in Accra do you want to go?
And crying Hnefa.
I want to go to Kukomlemle.
Who call Kukumrimri? Me call Kukumrimri.
So it's me.
Yeah.
How that will be 8 CDs.
Maju sitting watching.
Oh, that's very expensive. Please reduce it.
Hey, ne board ne. About your tiso kakra.
I can't reduce it too much.
Mint tiso ahin biya.
But I can do 7.
Mint tiso ahine kase but meet me ajo enson sidin son.
Okay, that's fine.
Mate, me dase.
Okay, sit down in the car. Come in.
Mate, trase, trakanum.
Okay, so as they're going, yeah, I'm gonna do like a normal conversation. Okay. So where have you come from?
I hear fan I will free aba.
Oh, I've come from abroad.
Oh, me fra brochiro.
I've come to visit my family.
Me baba sra my busuafo.
How has your day been as well?
Na wonso ene etese.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
But it's been very hot today. That's the only bad thing.
Ene whether no if any say we are now bobone. We are now bopa.
Driver, the traffic is too much here.
Driver. Say if any say car no enkokra.
Isn't there another way to get there?
Baby fufuro ni wa ebetima afa akwana.
There is another way, but that one is no good.
Baby fufuro ho ba te ho no anye.
Oh, please, let's just try that one.
If I cho yenko fire or home.
Surely it will be better than this one.
Nim say ebia ho kra be yasne ha.
Okay, I will try.
Yo me yenkoi.
Now I'm gonna do it when we get there. So the driver will probably say, okay, we're here now.
So say you drew how.
Where do you want me to drop you off?
I hear fan apese me see one.
Oh, just right by the chop bar that you see there.
Oh.
Or let's make it simple. On the left here.
See me bonkum yuso.
Okay. I'm trying to think what you would say after that. Well, afterwards, then you would say, thank you, here's your money.
Oh, me dase, usikani. Yo, Mate.
Well, No, the guy would say, here's your change.
Yeah. Yeah, what's the salmon? What's it? When's the sign? When's the sign new?
Yeah, changes in Sisa. Then you would, yeah, you just say bye.
Yeah, me that's it. Auntie, yeah.
Now that's the end of that one. But before we end the video, is there anything people should know in terms of being in a taxi? Is there some phrases or is there essential things they should know?
Well, if you take taxi in Ghana and you're new, don't give yourself away. Try fit in. Don't make out as if
You don't know it.
you don't know the culture, and so you're new. Let them realize you
have some knowledge.
You have a knowledge in your own country, that you're from there, regardless if it's your mom that is from there. Still, you have to make it known to them, even if you haven't been to Ghana before, just make it as if you've been there before, so that they don't, take advantage of you, overcharging you, or trying to make out a story that, this person is new, probably doesn't know where they're going. Try not to talk too much to the driver. Be polite as usual. And if they're talking too much, pretend you're reading something so they leave you alone.
Is there something you could say if they're talking too much? Can you just say to them, oh, please, can we not talk?
You can't say that. That would be very, very rude to Ghanaian.
So only in like Western countries you can do that?
Yeah. So if you have to do it is to try and make conversation, try and pretend you're talking on a phone to somebody. Yeah,
but what if you do want to talk?
If you want to talk and ask questions, you can do that. Oh, then you've made the person day for them.
Yeah, but if you know a bit of the language, doesn't that help you?
It does. You can ask the driver a couple of questions in Tree, or even in English. It's not bad.
No, but I mean in terms of him trying to, squeeze money out of you, wouldn't it help you a bit?
Yeah, you should let them know that, look, usually when you take a taxi to a certain places that is even further, this is how much you normally pay. Make it known to them, even if it's not true. Make up stories, let them know, make a scenario so that they don't overcharge you. Thinking like, remember when you lot used to be, when we go on holiday, most of the time, we don't stand together to stop a taxi.
I explained this in my good and bad things about Ghana. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. I do explain the best method to get a taxi. If you do look like a foreigner, you know what I mean by that. It's best if you get someone else who's
to stop that taxi.
To stop that taxi. And when you see the look on their face when they see the trick,
you've already debate how much.
Yeah, you've already decided the price, and then you pop out of nowhere and then hop in a taxi. They can't say anything. The price has been decided.
Yeah. If you're all standing there together, they will double, triply charge you. That is different, because we used to do that with you and your brother a lot of time. Even now, we still do it, because if you're all together and stop for a taxi, they would,
My cousins, me and my cousins know. My cousins will ask. They will get into arguments with the taxi driver because they just can't believe the price. But then they realize it's me. It's because I'm standing there. So I have to pretend that
you're not with them.
But let me just say some small phrases that might help them. So, if you want to say increase the price, how would you say it?
Sikanomu. Increase. Tumu.
Oh, okay. I thought it was tusu.
Teso meaning reduce the price.
I meant increase. Tusu.
Tusu, yeah.
And then decrease, like reduce it, is tisu. Okay. Let me out.
Maminsi.
Let me in.
Mamin tenase.
Slow down.
Toboase.
Is there anything else I'm missing? Go faster. Quick. Like quicker. Go quicker.
Contentem.
Close the window.
To mpromanum.
Open the window.
Be mpromano.
And then another thing with these things, it's good to say me pao cho.
Yes. Yes.
You know, it's very.
It's a polite way that we Ghanaians we do normally say me pacho this, me pacho that, me pacho this. You know, because you can't just be talking to somebody that you don't know and go straight into it. You know, and just talk to the person. No. You need to say, oh, me pacho, maybe won't ehine now. Ehine fana, yeah, Junso. Where do we urine? You know, to go to toilet.
You say TFE.
Ehine fana. You don't go and ask for TFE straight away. There'll be a Junso. It's fine. TFE.
Yeah, but what if they bring you to a bush or something? So what would you do? You'd be like, no, I want TFE.
Oh, they will know. They will know that they have to find a place like some hotel or some reception to drop you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You know, going to where we normally stay. Normally, you get so many people coming to sit down there, keeping at the reception area, keeping themselves very, very busy, as if they are waiting for somebody, but they never wait for somebody.
You got some people who just go there to use the toilet.
No, they don't go there straight away. They go there, sit down, as if they are waiting for somebody. After a while, then they go to toilet to satisfy themselves. There's a certain people, they do that twice.
That toilet's so clean.
Yeah, you can't get anywhere
I
better.
take off my trousers and pants and just spread my legs and enjoy. I have a book with me.
Okay, go easy here.
I finished the book before I even leave.
Okay, if you don't mind, I'm talking about the average Ghanaians that they probably don't have a laboratory in their house where they live.
I know, but I used it as well. I didn't need to use it. I had my own room, but I still go downstairs to use the main one.
Because it's big, spacious, and
spacious.
You know. Plus the room, if you're not sharing with anybody, you can enjoy yourself. But anyway, this is it.
Okay, that's my mom's way of saying it's over now. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like. If you haven't, dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.